I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah. The development comes as the team appears.
The following message has been released by the County of York Commissioners to the York County Office of Emergency Management. At 0600 hours today, emergency personnel responded to the Brickers French Fries at 2100 Monroe Street in West Manchester Township for a shed fire. Harmful vapors have been released into the air from the incident and may cause adverse health conditions. All persons within a half-mile radius of the affected area are advised to stay indoors with windows and doors closed. Turn off all ventilation systems. Stay tuned to the station for further instructions and updates. Take shelter now.
Come on, folks. NHL and